Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to DM someone on X. So before we start, I need to mention one thing, that you can only DM people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. So open X application on your phone, and in the bottom right corner of your screen you have to tap this letter icon that looks like this. This is your messages section. Then you have to press button that says write a message, or you can tap this icon in the bottom right and start typing the username of the person that you want to DM. And from the list that appears, you have to select the person that you want to DM, and this will open chat with this user. So here in this text box, you should type your message. And when you are ready, hit send button. This is paper plane icon. Message sent. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.